Imagine a space free of distractions, ads and the noise of social media. A place built for focused learning and meaningful discussions. That's exactly what we've created with the SKOOL community. It's a hub for anyone passionate about functional diagnostics, collaboration and growth. In our community, participation isn't just encouraged, it's rewarded. Members earn points for engaging in discussions, asking questions and sharing insights. These points reflect your involvement and unlock additional perks as you level up. It's a fun way to stay motivated while deepening your expertise. Active members gain access to exclusive content, live events, and valuable resources tailored to functional diagnostics. These rewards recognize and celebrate your contributions, making every interaction more meaningful. Unlike traditional social media, our community is free of ads and irrelevant posts. Here you can focus entirely on learning, collaborating and connecting with like-minded professionals. Forget endless DMs or one-way conversations. In our community, discussions happen openly, so everyone can benefit from shared knowledge. Whether you're asking for advice or offering insights, your voice adds value to the group. Our community is equipped with everything you need. A feed for organized discussions, a calendar for events, and seamless access to educational resources. It's designed to support your growth every step of the way. Most of us have experienced the frustration of finishing an on-demand course only to be left with questions and no one to turn to. That's where our community comes in. Here, the real learning begins after the course ends. You'll have access to sparring partners, practical advice, and a network of professionals ready to help you apply what you've learned. It's a place where theory turns into action and questions lead to breakthroughs. If you're ready to take your knowledge further and join a community that supports your growth, this is your chance. Don't navigate the challenges of functional diagnostics alone. Join us and be part of something transformative. Let's learn, grow and succeed together. Welcome to the future of professional collaboration.